Hi folks, it's Colin Fraser. Welcome back to our tutorial and design series for the Rasa web template. And now we're going to take a look at updating the social icons. There's two locations for the icons. Well, there's actually technically three locations for the icons. On the home page, they're located off to the left, and they are horizontally and vertically positioned. Vertically as in they're above each other, one on top of the other, and horizontally because they're positioned right in the middle of the page. So something to keep in mind, if you want to add more icons, just don't add so many that there won't be room on smaller monitors. And you can always test this just by sort of resizing the monitor, because watch what happens. We're going to go down to a certain size, and then the icons are basically resized to about 50% of their original size, so they can fit nicely into a mobile view. Okay, and then they're positioned at the bottom because there's no more room for them on the left hand side. If you were to have more than 5, they get squished and look stupid. So we've sort of not tricked it, but we've included a couple of different styles that allow the icons to be resized and repositioned depending on how wide and how tall your web browser or your resolution is. So with that said, just test that out. As you add more icons, test it out to make sure they collapse at the right amount. You may be able to get 8 to 10 in there, but not more. So let's take a look at the actual tutorial, and that is we're going to show you how to remove an icon, how to add more icons, and then how to actually change the icon that's being displayed and link to your social network page. So let's pop into Dreamweaver, and we're going to open up the library, the shared, and then we're going to open up the social icons library page. This one we're going to do in code view. Okay, you don't need to know HTML, but you are going to have to switch into code view and do some copying and pasting if we're going to add more. Speaking of that, let's say we want to add 2 more icons. To start with, once you're in code view, somewhere on the left hand side you may see some numbers, maybe not, but click or select the entire line like so. What we want to do is copy an existing icon and then paste it. And I'm going to start with the last one. I'm just going to edit and copy, edit, paste, Control C, Control V, edit, paste. There we go. Now we've got a copy of the YouTube, and we're going to paste it one more time. Okay, so now I've added 2 more icons. They still have the same Font-Awesome icon image and the same link, but we'll update that in a second. The next phase is to actually go and update the different Font-Awesome icons that are being used. So for that, we're going to go over to the Font-Awesome website. I'm just going to scroll back up to the top because I was doing this in a previous video. And we're now going to click on the Icons menu button. We're going to scroll on down, and typically for social icons, they're going to be all listed under the brand icons section on the main page. Okay, so let's say we want to add Google Wallet as one of the items. So we're just going to click on that. We're going to select this right here where it says FA Google Wallet, or this piece right here. We're just going to select and copy. Okay, we're going to go back to Dreamweaver, and for this YouTube, we're going to select the FA YouTube and paste in the FA Google Wallet. And that's it. That's how you replace an existing icon with a new one. You would just select the existing icon name, right? And if it's got an extra word or letter in it, make sure you select everything, like so, and then paste in your new name, right? Once that's done, then you can change or just copy in the link to your actual YouTube page or your LinkedIn page or Facebook. And in most cases, it's just right after the slash, you just add in the name of your account. But every account is different. Some it's just a single word, some it's a long string of characters. So whatever link you would send to your friends to say, here's my Twitter page or my Pinterest page, copy that link from your web browser and paste it right in here. Okay, so that covers the adding another social icon button, changing the actual button that's being displayed, updating the link, and of course the only thing that's left is removing it, and that's just as simple as selecting the entire line, okay, and hitting delete on your keyboard. and that's it.